How are you, my dear student? I hope everyone is still fine. Today I have just select another topics. In the topics, it's also the lesson 6 to 7 and expansion of matter due to effect of heat. In the previous class, I have also explained a mathematical term. I hope everyone is the practice. In the practice, this is the mathematical term, whereas the basically it's also a structure, the C divided by F equal to F minus 32 divided by 9. It's very important topics for your exam. Please everyone again and again practice this structure. Now, the expansion of matter due to effect of heat. Our new topics here. Most of the substances expand in volume by the application of heat. The expansion is so minor for solid. Most of the liquids do not expand so much by the application of heat, but the gaseous substances expands more by the application of heat. So we have also explained the definition and the differentiate between the solid and also the liquid and also gaseous matter. Again, I also repeat, my dear students, please everyone underline this structure, these topics. First, in the solid, the expansion is so minor for solid. Next, liquid. Most of the liquids do not expand so much by the application of heat, but the gaseous substance expands more by the application of heat. Now, we have also take the experience. Here's the experience and also the experiment. Not also the experience, it's also the experiments. Sorry for this word. Again, expansion of solids. 1. Proof of expansion of solids. Required equipment: a brass ball, the ring, fire and stand. Again, a brass ball and a ring are so made that the ball can simply pass through the ring when it is cold. First structure, a brass ball, when it is cold, the ball can simply pass through the ring. Again, insert ring and ball to stand as shown in the figure. Here, this structure, it's also this structure is the stand and this structure is the ring shape structure, and in the inner side there they have also the ball. Again I repeat, again a brass ball and a ring are so made that the ball can simply pass through the ring when it is cold. Insert ring and ball to stand as shown in the figure. Here, insert ring and the ball shown in the figure. Now, try to pass the ball through the ring. You will see that the ball has passed through the ring. It's also the easiest structure and the easy experiments. But now take the ball and hit it. Now, in this structure, I have also take this ball and I just give it's also the hit. When it's also the hit, then they have also the turn the another structure. Now take the ball and hit it. Try to pass the ball through the ring. Is the ball going to pass through the ring? No, it is not passing. So, caution. Be careful while working with the hot metals or objects. It's also the proof of expansions of solids. Again, why is not the brass ball passing through the ring when it is heated? The reason is that the ball has expanded. It's also the main reason. When the ball has expanded, then the ring when it's not thrown, it's not past the ring. Again, the ball has expanded a little due to heat. It proves that most of the solids expand by the application of heat. But this expansion is so minor that we cannot understand easily. Generally, metal expands a great by the application of heat in the solid matter. Again, I also repeat this line. It's also a very important line. Generally, metal, it's also the metal expands a great by the application of heat in the solid matter. Again, another topics and another important topics, the effect of expansion of solids in our daily life. We'll understand how we make the best use of expansions of solid in our daily life. There are the two examples, important examples given below. Have you ever seen that the neck of the glass bottle? Again, I just draw this structure, and this is the bottle. It's also this structure is the neck of the bottle. Again, glass bottle which contains jam, sauce, etc. is so tightly fitted that it cannot be opened easily. Yes. At this stage, generally the metallic neck of the bottle is heated. When basically in the sauce and also another juice bottle, it's also the neck is also the metal structure. It's also built and also structure is the metal. Again, neck of the bottle is heated. When then it is opened so easily by twisting. Why does the neck open so easily then? Because due to heat, the metallic neck expand and opened up. So it opened so easily then. When it's the tightly structure, when I just give, it's also heated, then the metallic structure is also is also widely, then it's also twisted. When I have just used the twisted, then it's also open. Again, because due to the heat, the metallic neck expands and opens up. So it opens so easily then. Second structure, train. Again, have you seen rail lines? I have just drawn the rail lines. This structure is the two rail lines. No, it's also very straight structure, and they have also this type structure. It's also the rail lines. Again, have you seen rail lines? The train runs on the two parallel iron strips. They are the two, this structure is the two parallel iron strips. This structure is the iron strips. Again, okay, iron strips, and you have seen that there is a gap between two consecutive rails of rail line, and there they have also the gap. Again, this structure is the gap structure. Again, this structure is the straight structure. Again, this structure is the gap structure. Then it's also the straight structure. Again, the gap, you have seen that there is a gap between two consecutive rails of rail line. What is the cause of it? In fact, some gaps are kept between two consecutive rails willingly. The iron rail turns hot when the trains run on it, and it is caused due to the friction of wheels with them. When the wheel is also the running, the train structure, then it's also, again I have also explained, my dear students, when is the cause, what is the cause of it? In fact, some gaps are kept between two consecutive rails willingly. The iron rails turn hot when the trains run on it, and it is caused due to the friction of wheels with them. As a result, the lines increase in length. Here's the lines, these lines is increase the length, and if there is no gap between the rails, when it has the no gap, this structure is the gap structure. When they have no any gaps, again I have explained, if there is no gap left between the rails, the line will be twisted. The rail increases and fills the gap so that the lines do not twist or bend. My dear students, I have also give you basically one experiment and two structure and the two example. In my headline is the expansion of matter due to effect of heat. And the another learns the expansion of liquid, the effects of expansion of gas, etc., etc. In the next class, I have also explained these two experiments. They have also one experiment about the liquid and the another experiments on the expansion of gases, and the last structure 8 to 9, 10, etc., etc. The effect of temperature over humidity and atmospheric pressure. It's also the recent problem. Again, the transmission of heat and the convection, etc. I have also explained in the next class. Today, I think that's okay. Goodbye.